Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake at home in a microwave. First, gather your essential ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. Make sure you have a microwave-safe mug or dish ready for baking. Accurate measurements are key for a delicious outcome, so pay close attention to your recipe. Remember, your microwave's wattage will influence the cooking time, so be prepared to adjust. Now let's get mixing. Start by combining all your dry ingredients such as flour, sugar, and baking powder in one bowl, ensuring they are well blended. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients like eggs, milk, and oil until they are smooth. Then, gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Be careful not to overmix. Just combine until no dry streaks remain. Don't forget to add your favorite flavorings, like a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's time to bake. Pour your prepared batter into a greased, microwave-safe container, filling it about 2/3 full. Place it in the microwave and cook on high power for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking times can vary, so keep a close eye on it. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. If not, microwave for another 15 to 30 seconds. Once your microwave cake is baked, let it cool for a few minutes before you start decorating. This prevents your frosting from melting. Now it's time for the fun part. Apply your favorite frosting or a simple glaze evenly over the top. For an extra touch, add some colorful sprinkles or fresh fruit. Your delicious homemade microwave cake is now ready to be enjoyed, either warm or at room temperature. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.